Ewiase we a yetimi emu aye gupa side and sema ebubo ba beta ponte ene beti se we bo ochina na te se woni obi na te se utimi ti obi wa se ba tie do be hu obi pe ba ko peso na te se ade beti na ni pe ya wo be hia na so beti ni wa se na te se ni pa pro ya no wetimi ahwe ne kwa hu bibi efi se ne sifa ba ye ne de keka wo na te se eno na ma wiase eyuna ene de arobu sentesia abetuja efa yesofu penia woda fulfilling world church yi anu atese bibi ebetweme na wochi ye mu na wochi we ye bitafo enye chekra na wochi we ya anu ne wonsem ebetuja atese na awarifo bi wo shoma wa reso na onu yesofu penia woda anu atese kubesha wa we so wo dina so according to earlier report ka say one more aye late one more emma ye muntie no tuo na so dey twa wa gbe mu so na report na di gane no as a nam to man akofododo one mu video no say no ba no what it was no ba if you are dress here bia wa bedo asode na ya say onya wa video na say so time na wo su video no na ma for ka tetia no na no ena nkofo kasa nya asofo krampo kasetia se wo sofo no de en akonya no wo de nyina so no wo se wo bia hye na wa wie abohoka eda ye entutu ye ni date na wo bia beto ni no waje penya so be ye de bedu cha ada na wo dina so kasa wo nyina se amafo de fushu kasa ya kasetia na no na asofo we ya ene de awo se na beto ja chese sofo yi etimi actually kwa ewu just like that they be for we be say hey aso ensensem na man for ka fa no na just wait me na awodin ana say akudure nyina no ene na so ma na hye ne kwa ana say je they be for we dey mo adwen ntata enchemu aka ho aba na enchemu na akwa akochirem genti pa aware no wosi ho kwa na say aware no wait me enhira so say na ehyehyede esifa etie na according to the year what the information about ponte I feel say wo ye asori ni mo enipa anaso ye asori ba Crystal Jane Cosmos Ogechi out this same be to the Facebook page no watch that was so for way on the 13th of February Africa ko bebe nya wo hwere the yere a say yere no grant say wo mo tena aye to yes ko me memorial service mo de be kai yere no eguo I on the 9th of February Osumi Kroya say birthday na say the name so man go viral no say me da bonti mama fortune no wo from ya ni say na wo jari akasa ni yagre ni yagre mu o ten yagre wo de daga say wo tu one na man to wo de mu ayarhwe nti yagre ni mu na say brand do yourself we share I from so nti na say wo no grab de dia wo ye na sorry no wa na say bi o mo share ifo no so gba mo wo ni o no akwentu ma wo ja ya hwe I tell them say Nigeria one no they will state award nti na say wo ni Port Harcourt wo na safo no wo no wo ni Port Harcourt no Lagos nti o na wo ja ya hwe say ya re mu doctor se fo gudu so mo hwe tu na say wo che penye free doctor se fo no wo and wo di two plane any free Lagos wo Ediba Port Harcourt dana ye share ifo no so a say go ado share ifo no so na say le tu me pie so for wono na ye na mana ifo no na ko wadi wa ye se tu na sipi na to so wata ko ni chi abo he ne ya bi mu na no no be du ho no so na ifo no say delay 1 hour no man ye be ni ye de kakra o control office eche wo office o say be ya ka ifo no mo nche office wo ifo no ni kru mo man di antuma ho man pe so mo di suba bonti a be ye viral news obi a ete ni tina so so for ni de say no o ya be sa be na ne say ni pomu di mo tosin to chement na ti won ti mi na no na say edidi mo ama sa be ya be mo ye gian agi ne kwa efri ni say ne so ye tie say na eye bo be ye o ye na safo be yi no watch it no on Facebook page on Crystal Jane Cosmos Ogechi was say on the 13th of this February, just 3 days ago, we chatted over the memorial of your wife, and that was few days after the controversy of you refusing to wed a couple, according to reports who came 5 minutes later. But according to you, they came 1 hour late, and you flew back all the way from Lagos with ill health to wed them. On the 9th, you celebrated your birthday, Pastor. So how is it possible that you are dead today? Of all the deaths of close friends I have been witnessing this year, yours, Pastor Issa, seems to be very difficult to accept. I truly lack words. Yes, a year after your wife's death, this is completely unbelievable. It's hard for me to type RIP as within a phone so egu asie eto hono na nuna mani pa wodrum say leti assembly say this fact here anything ke beti maka pro say our phone pro no wo see na wo create here ni fast wo make about so worry no wo my late na so for na so my office wo ti about ti so no pro na epiapia also for am ni yagre o word dada no emu aye di asese dey watch me na anso dey record ono no so no another church member no so eni me pa so bibi adobeta won be church mu dey course was eda no eni dey enam so ma papa na church kwase sia eni ede so no dey ego so e wo che na we honorable Obi West Okoechuku ono so dey ever say Pastor S.A. Ogri, the senior pastor of Fulfilling Word Foundation Church, who recently cancelled a wedding in Port Harcourt because the intending couple came late, is dead. He died today after prolonged illness. Let's remember that he was sick and had to come to church for the wedding. And after waiting for so long, he decided to go to his office because he was getting weak and wanted to do the wedding in his office. He died on the same day his wife died last year. They left behind a son who is still in the secondary school. I also entry body attitude that said, Danny, you do nancy. A person also for now or going through so much trauma or going through so much heartache and pain. Besides, they are real so now there's a controversy is say it was too much to contain. And until the number not for you it was a form. Now the chance ye again, let us say. And then the done it say, ye so selfish about ourselves, I yet consider a month for way I'm a say. So for now, woman care, woman understanding, and then the piano best and a shame into so forth, ever to was it now I'm going way, not to say what about because share. Also for we Usha I came in for Libya and then so also for second degree everyone but now sorry about the second that over alone that is a good master complaining too much. And there's also for now move will be Ebejna Ayo Dima Ediaman to Usha problems also for Bakuya while going to another say one here to say indeed in this just 1 week space we are going too much and no grandpa the upper that they watching in Valentino and we say I bring so yes for manu they be considerate Eliama ya suffer now yen kika people to go and come and them more because when you take a idea and go I from and you say okay I'm going to move so my too late and you know was offer no or now I make sacrifice for 2 points baby their back need to woman opinion that say one in a home here now say now they can with me out or rent and can go for all this controversies need speculations about Batima and California as also for you can say maybe the Bagapo say what he wants them and no course I would have a first friend if someone said and under pressure other kind of yaga than a massacre actually but he says I don't go be now Etika to me and one so as an inti everyone and who ya passing the Benya portray in the face of situations and who I don't between say what's an answer I want to answer so not to say we be the son who make effort to be the son now so much fast about it ama ebeso entema hodo am so free wa shouldn't go to see na to say yawo e no dia bi no kusia na safo menya wo tie mu kra kono bo baba ko pa bo cha no so second swim di se ano sa na baba ko pe no why the action why no be jina amata ko na we for no be dia ko na asho na say we be that time we need to let say therefore they go through a lot and no making most sacrifice and the mama master for it to be just in way so and the yakwa they no to for the for and will be bia as and one can I was so free new better than I could show money no more to me and moving on in life because at the end of the day, I some more yapa. So maybe anniversary of two important people in the 1 month, asema more ya. Midi esi no adwenche efa ho but what dey an efa so me e comment section on be to share video on all social media platforms. Follow TumaGH our Instagram, Twitter, so at @TumaGH_ Facebook. TumaGH. Na ma wo so a anything. Na me ya Tuma Yesa e bi nche wo bio. Makro bibia.